Hello everybody, my name is Stephan Möller. I want to introduce you to my series of lessons about Beethoven's piano sonatas. After the Calando section, something different happened. And already here, actually this is the idea of artistic interpretation. Already here, where it's the same notes, we must have a different feeling and know this is the last time that we ever will hear this melody. So we play it differently. We play it with a certain attitude of sadness and of abandoning and so of losing something very precious. Yeah? The last time.